Just going on a little mooch around Shad Thames, which is an old, kind of all these old wharf buildings, industrial buildings that when, well, I suppose when we had an empire, the British Empire, it was all the kind of shipping that was going on around here was stored and packed and transported through here. There's probably goods used to be transported in between the warehouses. The last time I was here in Shad Thames, all of this side was kind of covered, was being restored, so all kind of like scaffolding and everything else. It looks like it's since been finished. Found the beach. Found the beach. Okay. Not too much sand. But it's the kind of beach, isn't it? Yeah, I wouldn't really want to go sunbathing there. Especially in October. Steering here. Hours of fun. I've not yet been on an Uber boat. There's two. They're all out today, and they look packed. Believe it or not, I'm trying to get down to the beach that I've never been down to before. I say the beach, the shoreline. Ah, so Mr. Whippy, I must resist. think I found it. I've never been down here. Very steep.
Quindi arriva mamma, quindi l'acqua dove? Ah, arriva fino a qui? Cioè arriva fino a qui mamma.
I'm on the shoreline. This is nearly where you can go. I think it's called mudlarking, and you just trawl the shore for, you know, bits and pieces from long ago. But I'm sure this place has been sifted over probably as many times as Algarve Beach is. I can see a brick there. There you go. How old's that? It could be a year old. It could be 150 years old. Hey, it's gone back in the Thames. This is where I'm going to find this 150-year-old antique that's going to be worth a fortune. And it's here. This is it. I found it. All I can see is bricks, old bricks. We can see how far the tide comes up here. God, that's huge. You wouldn't imagine it would come up that far, but it does. Just goes to show the power of the water. All the way up there. That's higher than I am now. What is that? Oh, interesting. Any ideas, anybody? It's metal. It's got a bent end, so sewing, spirally. Answers on the postcard. Little children. He'll be a future YouTuber. Where's Tower Bridge? Oh, it's there. A couple of people on Tower Bridge. I'm on the wrong side. It's the more picturesque side over there. I'm going to go down again and switch over. Oh, Sweet Caroline.